Hey, um, I just wanted to take some time to talk with everybody about tattoo care. I just recently got a piece done, and I really wanted to make sure that I was talking to you guys about how you can properly take care of your new tattoos. My tattoo is by Suspiria Land. Yay, she's awesome. But yeah, with Arbonne, what I would recommend using is the Calm line. It has 4 parts. I would start with the first wash after you get your tattoo done. Normally they recommend between 3 to 6 hours after that waiting period. You wash with a fragrant-free solution. There is the Gentle Daily Cleanser. And then the next step that I would take, excuse me, for the first application would be probably the soothing serum. And then I would wait until you're the next couple of days and try not to apply anything as much as possible. Just let it condition. As you can see, this is actually a few days old and mine is healing really well, but it's starting to get to that flaky part. And this is the point where I start applying the Gentle Daily Cleanser, and you don't apply too much. The reason that I'm choosing this one is because it actually has calming, so it relieves the itching, and it's fragrant free, and it actually helps with the healing process. I found that my healing process on my tattoos has gone down to about half the amount of time that it used to be. It used to be for me, about a week and a half, and this one is almost fully healed up. I started applying the moisturizer yesterday was when it started to actually get to the point that I needed to apply it again. So I just put just a little bit, and I make sure I massage it over the whole tattoo. Some people don't even need to apply the moisturizer, but for me, I find otherwise I itch at them. And this just gets me through. I try not to apply it too often because I really want to have a good sealant, but especially for colored tattoos, you want to make sure that you're giving it as much moisture as possible, but also not making it too moist that it's gonna get too much abrasion. So yeah, when you are making the choice of what to use on your tattoos, the Calm line is the one to go with. It's also really good if you have any allergies or anything that on your face or all of your body, just if you actually have breakouts that way. Yeah, so thank you. That was a little tidbit on how to do tattoo care. Okay, thank you.